In this video, we're going to talk about grouping assignments and giving each group, or what we have known in categories, the appropriate point value. So it's pretty important you have your syllabus available for the course when you're doing this, because this is how we group the gradebook. So start from the home page of your course, which you can always get to by clicking on home, and then go into assignments. Okay, when Moodle imported everything, it imported everything into a basic imported assignments. Okay, it did not know how to group these appropriately, like labs, homework, worksheets, or however your curriculum is grouped out. So the first thing we need to do is we need to add the appropriate groups. Okay, so in HVAC, and every program is going to be a little bit differently. I have homework. I have labs. I have exams. And I have quizzes. Okay. We do not have plain assignments in HVAC, so I am going to delete that one. Some programs may have plain assignments. Do not delete the imported assignments until we have moved all the assignments to the appropriate groups. But before we go much further, let's go ahead and give everything the point value. So come up here to the three dots on the right-hand side. If you hover over it, it says Assignment Settings. And let's give the assignment group weights. Okay, you have to click the weight final grade based on assignment groups. Okay, we're going to leave imported assignments as 0. Okay, I know in HVAC my exams are worth 40%. Quizzes are 20, 20, and 20. When you're all done, your total down here should equal 100%. Click Save. Okay. Now, when you come down to the different groups, you'll see right there what their percentages are, if you've done this right. So the next thing you have to do is you have to drag and drop every one of the assignments into the appropriate group. I would recommend starting from the bottom and working your way up. Okay, so I'm going to drag my practical into exams. I know this is a lab. And I'm always going to add to the top of the group. So like lab 13 will go over lab 17. Okay, our schematics we do as labs. Basically, you're maintaining the same order, but you're just moving it from one place to another. So I have a lot of these to do, so I'm going to put this video on hold while I go ahead and finish this. I'll restart the video as soon as I'm done with the dragging and dropping. No reason for you to sit through that. So now I've drag and dropped all my assignments, and they are all out of the imported assignments. Before we go any further, let's remove that imported assignment group so it's no longer there. Now you can see we have our grouping for our homework. In my case, it's worth 20%, labs 20%. We have exams, and we have quizzes. Okay, now there's a lot missing here that you can remember, but we haven't dealt with quizzes at all. We're going to deal with that in another video. So in terms of assignments, you just have to remember to add your groups. That's done by the little plus group sign. And then you have to assign your assignment group weights, and that's done by the three dots, and then drag and drop.